To prepare your induction weld system for use, start by turning on the unit by pressing the button located on the side. On the display screen, you can select the language by pressing the Language Select button in the bottom right corner. Adjust your settings according to your project. Adjust the temperature, select the membrane type, and the mill thickness. You can cycle through the options by using the touch screen or turning and pressing the knob located on the right. When you have the proper settings to your project, you are now ready to weld. Place the weld head over the plate and press the trigger on the handle or the start button on the unit. The unit will beep, and there will be a green light on the weld head. When the light turns off, place a magnet on the plate for 60 seconds. Be sure to not touch the plate as the welder rapidly heats it up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. While welding, the unit screen display will turn yellow and then back to green for a successful weld. If there is an error, such as the weld head is not fully on the plate, the screen will turn red. After waiting 60 seconds for the plate to cool, you will have a successful bond.